The way he moved through your home, the way he spoke softly, his words a balm against the darkness. You remember the prayers, the holy water, the sense of something shifting, something letting go. And you remember the peace that followed, the way your partner slept soundly for the first time in weeks, the way the room felt warmer, safer, yours again. You realize that you've changed, that the haunting has left its mark, not as a scar, but as a lesson. You are stronger now, more compassionate, more open to the mysteries of the world. You start to see the beauty in the unknown, the wonder in the things you cannot explain. You find yourself looking for magic in the everyday, in the way the sunlight dances on the walls,